Good evening, everybody. Temperature's the big story, at least this week, and I've been looking at some of the long-range models. It looks like we stay below average. We may have a couple warm days in there, but overall, next 14 days looking to stay below average as well. Average highs in the 50s. Now, that doesn't mean we're super cold every day for 2 weeks, but it does look like the trend here for the short term, 1 week to 2 weeks, staying below average. 30s today for highs. Lows tonight will be in the teens. It's going to be cold again, no question about it. 15 for Paris, Casey, and Terre Haute. 14 up in Rockville, 16s and 17s to my south. And here's how we get there. There's a couple hour by couple hour look. It's called our temperature tracker. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, down to 15 to start the day. So be ready to wrap the kids up, yourself as well. And don't forget, it's spring, but those pets, got to keep an eye on them as well. I'm getting booed in here for these cold temperatures. Who's in here? I got to find some help. In the meantime, temperatures in the mid-20s, upper 20s. Got 130 there in Robinson. Skies mostly clear and temperatures staying on the chilly side tonight. And there's a problem right there. Winds. They're out of the west, slightly out of the northwest, and we've got a 15-mile-an-hour wind in Mattoon, 10-mile-an-hour in Vincennes. These winds are just cold. They'll cut right through you, bringing the wind chills down. 2-hour overnight lows are near them, 17. So remember this, we get down to 15 tonight, wind chill is going to be in the single digits. It will be a very cold start to the day again tomorrow. Lake effect snows because the water in the lake's warmer than the air temperature, so that's producing a lot of lake effect snows. There's some light snows with the clouds to our north. You may get a few of those up along Interstate 74, nothing to measure, a few flurries there, but for the most part, we're just going to deal with a couple clouds, cold temperatures tonight, into the mid-teens with those cold northwest winds. Here's your Thursday. We're going hour by hour into the afternoon. Some sunshine's back, but it's not going to be enough to heat us up. We'll get a couple degrees warmer than today. We topped at 32 in Terre Haute. We'll hit 35 or 6 tomorrow with a mixture of some sunshine in there. Get into Friday, close to the weekend, first weekend of spring. Does it warm up? This time of year, it could warm up quickly, but it just doesn't. We get back down to about 18 or 19 for Friday morning, and then in the afternoon, mid-40s. So there's a little bit of a jump. Saturday's going to be the warmest day at 47, but you'll see in the 7-day forecast coming up that it isn't going to be a lot. It doesn't stick around. So let me show you. 15 tonight. Going to be cold. Wrap up as you head out and about for tomorrow. 36, mostly sunny, still cold. That's your afternoon daytime high. Average high is about 56, so still 20 degrees below average tomorrow. Staying below average, 18 tomorrow night. And I'm going to cover this part up right here. I'm not going to let you see this just yet, okay? Because we got to talk temperatures, okay? 42, 45, 45, 36. That's not bad, right? Okay, there it is. Behind me, chance for some wintry mix Saturday night down to 33, Sunday night down to 32. Any rain there will have the chance to mix with some snow, I know. Getting into that first weekend of spring, and we're still talking some winter weather. So just keep that in mind if you've got plans. As I mentioned, and Patrice, I was looking at these long-range models, just trying to find any hope where I could say, hey, it's going to be warm. Hey, it's going to be nice. But it is. That Saturday, Sunday night.
47 looks promising, but then you throw in that snow. What is wrong with you?
A lot. There's a lot wrong with me.
Don't you have that red phone, that direct hotline to Mother Nature?
Somebody took it.